Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing this print on demand tool called eRank. So basically, if you're doing print on demand, you need to do product research. eRank is one of the best tools that can help you find some winning product for your for your print on demand store. So basically, you can do search on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Google. It include all of that. So let's start with some Etsy product. So let's say you want to check Christmas t-shirt, and then just make sure right here you choose USA. I will leave the link in the description for eRank if you guys interested. I would say it's one of my daily use print on demand tool. So when you're done choosing your keyword, make sure you choose the platform that you want to sell. I'm going to choose Etsy, or you can choose all or Amazon. And then next, you're going to choose your country right here, USA. As you could see, there's Australia, Canada, India, France, and UK. So you can choose whatever country you live in. And then right here is your history on your previous search. So when you're done, you can click right here on search. As you will see, the Christmas shirt is actually trending right now in the US. So right here, 82% is 82% is from United States when it comes to trending on Etsy, and then this one 5% is from the UK. So most of the Christmas shirt traffic come from the US. That's why I would recommend you to choose a US market when you're doing print on demand, because most of those sales come from US. And then right here at down here, you can choose if you want a chat for Google too and Amazon. You can also select those, and then it will showing you. As you could see, the graph on Amazon is kind of similar to Etsy, but it's not taken off yet on Amazon. So it only taken off right now on Etsy. I would say if you're doing print on demand on different platform, right now is the best time to try this keyword on other platform while it's not that much trending. So anyways, right here is your average search. As you could see, 14,000 people searching for Christmas shirt on eBay, on Etsy. And then average click to search right here. This is how many people that click on the link when they find the product they're looking for. So it's 107%, which is really good. That means if someone sees a Christmas shirt, they more likely to click on it or later on buy the shirt. But the competition is the one that's matter, because it's very, very competitive. So as you could see, the competition is 1 million, which is crazy to me. So if you scroll down, you can niche down a little bit to get some more keyword, like more low competition keyword. As you could see, all those competition is very high. I think this one is the only one that is profitable. Christmas Nike shirt. I would not recommend you to use that, because Nike is trademark, so you will get your store taken down. So this one is Christmas work shirt. Yeah, this is a good one, but the search volume is not that much. But I was still using it. I think I'm going to be favorite that one. If you click on it, there's another one, skeleton Christmas shirt. I'm going to favorite that one. You guys, if you don't have access to this tool, you can try these two. So, oh, this is a very good one, Hawaiian Christmas shirt. This one is very, very high on Google, but I don't know if it's really that popular on Etsy. Is on trending right now, is on upward trend. So I will keep an eye on that one. But even though the volume is not that high, you don't have to worry about the volume. As long as you choose those keywords, you will rank first and the first page for those type of keyword. I think I'm going to save that one too. And then Christmas Hawaiian shirt, I'm going to save that one. If you guys want, you can use those keywords too, guys. This one definitely gonna hit because it's right here uptrend for October. So as you can see, if you want to see the hot product, you can click right here. They will show you all the trending keyword, gift, father, Christmas, Halloween. So Halloween already passed. If I search on the past 7 days and then apply, that's better. As you could see, here's some trending keyword, but obviously you have to make sure you break the keyword down. Like it's too, like for that one is too broad keyword. You don't wanna put broad keyword on your print on demand store because you're not going to be ranking for those keywords. So if I could find some wall art is consistently on the search result, as you will see, consistently trending. So I'm going to favorite that one too. Maybe I will make some Hawaiian Christmas wall art. A mix together would be perfect. Right here, custom portrait art. That one, ornament is very trending right now. Basically custom ornament. I think I could find this keyword right here, custom ornament. Yeah, personalized ornament or custom ornament is very trending also. If you look right here, guys, you can choose they will show you the uptrend. If you click this one is the best one when it comes to uptrend because it's 266 uptrend right now, which means if you wanting ads for those, I would try the Hawaiian wallpaper as well. I think I'm going to try those out. And then gift for friends, sword, embroidery, those one on uptrend. And then here is the one that on downtrend right here. So this is how you check the hot product, guys. And then if you go right here on spot on Etsy, I think I gotta choose past 7 days. And then as you could see, here is some of my product that is on Etsy right now. And then right here you can check your keyword list right here. This is where you can create a list for your saving keyword, the keyword that you save for later on. You can create a list right here with those keywords. And then here is competition, and you can go right here on top sellers. They will show you all the top sellers that right now on Etsy. As you can see, this store is number 1. You can click right here to see the actual store on Etsy. They even tell you where the store is located. As you can see, the store is sell 2 million. Oh yeah, I know this brand. Catline Minimalist, yes. Yes, she probably number 1 on Etsy. They selling jewelry. So the thing that is very cool, you can search by the newest store. If you wanna check if some new store trending right here, you can also do it. So they tell you which country the store is from. Let me check if I can find shop open in 2023. Okay, this is the shop that is open on 2023 and they doing very well. Categories, I'm going to closing, and then right here, those store they just up on 2023 and then they already sell 28,000, 21,000. If I click right here, I think I can go right here. If I click right here, and then I can see all the product from the store, and then is all the information. The total sale is 28,000. Shop age 253 days. Closing, and then the rank global is 12,000. They located in the US, and then they handmade. So I don't think that's something that you could. No, they not handmade. This is definitely print on demand. So yes, I think those design is very easy to remake. So I think I'm going to try to remake some of those. This skeleton one right here, I think I saw that one earlier on the keyword research, if I'm not mistaken. I think I saw skeleton Christmas shirt. Yeah, those are some really great shirt that's selling right now from this store. So again guys, if you want to check eRank, I will leave the link in the description. Also, I will make some following video on the best trending product for daily or weekly. If you want that, you can click the subscribe button so you don't miss out when I bring you guys some of the best trending print on demand shirt and design. So yeah, make sure you like this video as well so we can be recommended on the YouTube algorithm, guys. Until next time, probably tomorrow I'll be make another video. Peace.